Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Ulta Beauty. So what they do is cosmetics retail, which means mostly makeup, other stuff as well. And current price is just under $200, which gives them a market cap of $11.2 billion. Dividend is zero. I don't expect that to change, especially with the current situation, but also I don't expect that to change near term, so it's not really something that concerns me. Revenue $7.4 billion, up over 10%. Earnings $706 million, up also 10-ish%, which gives them PE of 26 with a forward PE of 39, which is a bit of a problem. So that means they're losing about half of their earnings. That's not quite right, about 30%. They're predicting to lose about 30% of their earnings. Obviously, with the current situation, that is not really a terrible place to be. But obviously, earnings going down, always a bad thing. Total assets $4.9 billion, total liabilities $3 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $1.9 billion, which is only slightly up from the previous year where they had way less assets and liabilities. So, I don't like the balance sheet increasing that much on both sides for so little gain, especially after making $700 million. So, balance sheet not looking bad. That's actually a pretty good ratio of assets to liabilities there. So for a growth investor, there's definitely not enough growth here. For a dividend investor, there's definitely no dividend, and that shouldn't really be a concern at this point. For a value investor, I think the stock looks interesting, but the PE is just slightly high. There's no dividend, and the balance sheet doesn't look great. So overall, I would say that it's definitely a decent stock. It's just probably not the best choice right now. I think there's far better options right now, especially if you're looking for retail stocks. A PE of 26 is not terrible, especially with the way bonds are valued at right now. So overall, I would say a decent stock, and I wouldn't blame anyone for buying it. It's just that I think that there's better deals out there, especially in retail, because there's so many companies that had to cut their dividends and lost a majority of their market cap. And I think that like maybe Nordstrom is probably a better option here. I own a few other retailers that I think I would prefer to Ulta Beauty, but this is a decent stock, and I wouldn't blame anyone for buying it, especially to diversify from other stuff. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.